99%. People don't know how to eat flax seeds. For hormonal balance and weight loss, you've been eating flax seeds completely wrong. And that's why they're not helping your hormones, your weight, or even your digestion. In fact, if you eat them like most people do, you're probably wasting money and getting zero benefits. So, what's the right way to eat flax seeds? And why do only 1% of people know the simple trick that makes them actually work? Let's break it down. Flax seeds are tiny, but don't underestimate them. They're one of the most powerful foods for balancing hormones, boosting weight loss, and even improving skin and heart health. But here's the catch. Simply sprinkling them on your salad or eating them whole won't do much. The key is in how you eat them. And today, I'll show you exactly how to unlock their real power without falling into the common mistakes most people make. Here's the problem. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber. Nutrients that support healthy hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve metabolism. But these nutrients are locked inside a hard outer shell. If you eat flax seeds whole, your body can't break them down, and they just pass straight through your system. That's why so many people say, "I eat flax seeds every day, but I don't notice any difference." It's not that flax seeds don't work, it's that most people are eating them the wrong way. And when it comes to hormones and weight loss, that small mistake can make a huge difference. If you want to learn the real way to eat flax seeds for hormonal balance and weight loss, stay with me till the end, because I'll show you the science-backed methods, the timing, and even a couple of simple recipes you can start using today. 1. Whole versus ground. The mistake, 99%. Make. The number one mistake people make is eating flax seeds whole. Like I said earlier, they just go in and come out the same way. To get their real benefits, you need to eat them ground. Ground flax seeds release omega-3's lignans and soluble fiber that your body can actually absorb. Here's a tip. Don't buy pre-ground flax seeds. And in a moment, I'll show you why fresh grinding makes all the difference. Once flax seeds are ground, they start to lose their nutrients quickly because of oxidation. Instead, buy whole flax seeds and grind them fresh at home with a coffee grinder. Store the powder in an airtight jar in the fridge to keep it fresh for at least a week. 2. Flax seeds for hormonal balance, nature's hormone regulator. Now, let's talk hormones. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, a plant compound that mimics estrogen in the body. That means they can help balance estrogen levels, whether your body has too much or too little. For women, this is huge. Flax seeds can reduce symptoms of PMS, improve fertility, and even help during menopause by easing hot flashes. For men, they can help regulate testosterone and improve prostate health. Think about this. A tablespoon of ground flax seeds a day can naturally support your hormonal balance in ways that pills and supplements often can't. And that's why they've been called nature's hormone regulator. 3. Flax seeds for weight loss. The belly fat connection. But what about weight loss? Flax seeds shine here too. They're rich in soluble fiber, which swells in your stomach and keeps you feeling full longer. This means fewer cravings, less snacking, and a natural way to cut calories without even trying. They also slow down digestion, which prevents blood sugar spikes after meals. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes and less fat storage. In fact, studies show that people who add flax seeds to their diet lose more weight compared to those who don't, especially around the belly area. Here's a simple tip. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or even yogurt. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. But here's something almost nobody talks about. If you eat flax seeds at the wrong time of day, you may be missing their full potential. Should you eat them in the morning, at night, or both? Let's find out. 4th best time to eat flax seeds. For weight loss, the morning is the best time. Adding flax seeds to your breakfast helps control appetite and cravings throughout the day. For hormonal support and digestion, taking them at night can also be effective because they work slowly as you sleep. Here's what you can try. Morning option. Blend flax seeds into a smoothie with banana, spinach, and almond milk. Night option. Mix flax seeds into warm water with a little lemon. It's soothing and supports overnight digestion. The key is consistency. 1 tablespoon a day, every day, is all you need. 5. Flax seed pairings. Foods that boost the effect. Here's where most people miss out. Flax seeds work even better when paired with the right foods. For example, combine flax seeds with Greek yogurt or kefir for gut health and better hormone absorption. Pair flax seeds with chia seeds to get a balance of omega-3s and extra fiber. Mix flax seeds with cinnamon for blood sugar control and weight management. This way, you're not just eating flax seeds, you're creating nutrient synergy that your body loves. So, here's the real flaxseed trick, and it's simpler than you think. Eat them ground, not whole. Stay consistent with 1 tablespoon a day, and time it right. Morning for weight loss, evening for hormones. Most people skip these steps, which is why flax seeds don't work for them. But if you do it the right way, these tiny seeds can transform your hormones, your weight, and even your energy levels. It's not the foods you eat, it's how you eat them that unlocks their power. So now you know the secret. 99% of people eat flax seeds the wrong way, and that's why they see no results. But if you grind them fresh, take a tablespoon daily, and time them right, you'll notice better hormone balance, fewer cravings, and steady progress with weight loss. These tiny seeds might not look like much, but when eaten correctly, they can make a massive difference in your health. If this helped, share it with someone who's eating flax seeds the wrong way. And for more holistic health hacks like this, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. I've got plenty more simple tricks to help you live healthier, naturally.